establishing institutions that can continue to develop, the efforts of the Muslims here in the United States of America. Can you elaborate on some of the institutions that are extremely important for us to actually start establishing outside of course, masajid or Islamic schools?
Alhamdulillah, salatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah. All of the activities, all of the da'wah activities will need da'wah and other activities, the activities that the Muslim community needs, all of the things that all of the needs of our community as a community. If we can talk about senior homes, we can talk about having an orphanage, for instance, in central Jersey that will serve the Muslim community, like 4 or 5 masajid can come together and start an institution. Or start like an organization. I'm talking about institutionalizing the work, the activities. So whatever activities, relief, social services, civic engagement, interfaith, all of the activities that we need as a Muslim community to start institutions and to build institutions that have good, efficient processes, transparent as well, that will earn the trust of the community, and the community will, many people within our community. I was approached just 2 days ago by a brother that is a trustworthy brother. Sometimes people like to talk. Some people, are serious when they talk, that they are truthful and serious. So he said that we would like to have a higher learning institute here in New Jersey, in the tri-state area. And I am willing, we have a group of people that are willing to fund this, and we're willing to, and I'm not talking about, he said, I'm not talking about $5 or $10 million. I'm talking about serious funding. Yeah. So there are people within in our community, there are Muslims in our communities or communities that are willing to support institutions of various orientations and for various causes, but they just want to make sure that they will be efficient, competent, transparent, and so on. And I think that we have to capitalize on that interest, and one day, inshallah, we will be able to.
طيب, inshallah.